A man in Tennessee is set to be executed today. Anthony Darrell Hines stabbed and killed a woman back in 1985. He's set to die by lethal injection today. His attorneys are asking the court to grant him a temporary restraining order. His attorneys say that multiple strokes caused him to be partially paralyzed on the left side. They say this would make strapping him to the gurney difficult. His execution comes less than 3 months after the botched execution of Tony Carruthers. A doctor performing Carruthers' execution was unable to find a vein, delaying his death. Carruthers' family says he was left paralyzed. Governor Bill Lee later granted Carruthers a 1-year reprieve. This week, Hines asked the governor to step in his case. Governor Lee declined to intervene. Additional testimony is expected today for the only woman on Tennessee's death row. Lawyers argue convicted killer Christa Pike's post-traumatic stress from her childhood should change how guards treat her prior to her execution. A jury convicted her in the 1995 murder of Colleen Slemmer. Her lawyers say she suffers a rare health condition that would cause unnecessary pain and suffering when paired with the lethal injection. In day one of Pike's hearing, lawyers offered 2 solutions: either use a central IV for the fatal dose of drugs or opt for a hanging. During day 2, lawyers focused on the abuse Pike faced as a child. They argued that intense monitoring by prison staff could trigger PTSD from her childhood trauma.
That constant observation, even during private moments, will be very invasive and likely trigger her past traumas, which then become intrusive, at times where she was observed when she didn't want her body observed.
You can read the full testimony from the past few days in court right now on WBIR.com.